YouTube and my channel. This is Purple Iris coming, and I wanted to show this traveler's notebook that I have made. It's a cover. It's made out of fabric because, as I've stated before, I am vegetarian, so I am trying to stay away from animal products. It's a simple traveler's notebook cover made out of fabric. I think this pattern is a key pattern. It has no pockets because I just used a fat quarter and it's just lined. It has 2 strings and it's holding 3 inserts, and the insert size, of the inserts are 7 1/4 by 5 1/4. That's the measurement of the inserts. There are no back pockets. It's a simple construction. As I've said, there are 2 strings, 2 elastics, and I have this on piggyback on this elastic, but I did make this and I just put a simple button on this elastic, but and the closure is coming out of the center of the spine. Again, this is made out of fabric. I am going to start selling these traveler's notebook covers and inserts on my website. I'll probably have the pricing on my website, so if you're interested, please go to purpleiris.com for pricing if you're interested in buying these. I just made this one for demo purposes, and I'll probably use it. I'm thinking about going back and adding a pocket, and I may add a pin loop, but I'm not sure. But I just wanted to make some traveler's notebook covers and inserts. I started with this simple size because I had these books. These books were given to me at Christmas by a fellow teacher, a coworker, and I didn't know what to do with them, so I had this I was at Walmart. I saw the fabric. I liked it. I said I would make a traveler's notebook cover for the book. And that's what I did. And then when I made it, I said, well, someone asked if I was selling them. And I said, well, I can do that. That's something I can do on my website. So if you're interested in traveler's notebooks made out of fabric and not leather and not vinyl, fabric traveler's notebooks, please check out my website, purpleiris.com, for pricing information. Thanks for watching, and Purple Irises whenever this video finds you.